Today, we set sail on a new voyage of collaboration and success. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. MIHCA is the Viking Cruises Star Surf Training Center in the Philippines.
Thank you for trusting us. That video showed a long partnership, and this is a testimony to your commitment on giving opportunity to our MIHCA alumni. Congratulations to us, and thank you again for trusting MIHCA.
If you want to go fast, go alone. And if you want to go far, go together. And this relationship with MIHCA has been 10 years in the making. And for sure, there will be another 10 years easily. And that's why we work together. And it's a really special partnership. We don't have this anywhere else.
Together, MIHCA and Viking Cruises, we are paving the way for success and opportunity to everyone.